You grasp for control because trusting feels risky. So you carry weights you were never meant to hold. Fighting battles God never asked you to fight. An army can't win if every soldier demands to lead. Order collapses. Direction fades. The mission is lost. You were never meant to see the whole battlefield. You were meant to move in faith, under divine direction. Surrender doesn't make you weaker. It aligns you with strength. Lay the burden down. Trust the commander. God has never lost a war, and he won't start with yours.